Big one hopped on there. Hopped off. That's the first decent bite. I had one wee fish, but that was the first bite of a big fish. Beautiful morning. I've got the net set, seaweed net. That was a good bite. Feels like about a medium-sized kahawai. It's starting to get a wee bit of action. Beautiful morning out here. Cool autumn morning. It's about a medium one. Fish curry sized. He's flat. Not big, but it's there's a couple of curries in there. Those are beautiful little fish. Well, that's supper sorted. I was keen to have a Kahawai curry for supper. Beautiful. Not a monster. But it's a feed. That's the main thing. Fishing for supper, not for glory. Oh, that's waking things up a bit. Feels like a small one. They move around a lot, these kahawai, so it's hard to pinpoint where to catch up. Yeah, this feels like a small one. Oh, no, maybe he's a medium. Yeah, he's a medium. Small one. Okay, I'll let it go. Bit too small, not the full curry. Well, it's a beautiful morning out here. Perfect conditions, the river, the sea. You hear the roar of the waves down there on the bar. So I've just lifted the net and caught my first flounder of the year. He's been ickied, but he still doesn't realise it yet. And I caught two little kahawai on the spinner. I had hooked one big kahawai, but I was fluffing around with the camera and the outboard and he got away. So, but that's easily a fish curry, maybe two. That's easily two fish curries. That's a fish curry. So, and I got heaps of seaweed, but I won't eat this seaweed. This the net was full of seaweed again. That's only after about 2 hours out there. So I might have left it out overnight and come back tomorrow, but with all this weed going up and down, it's just not worth it. So I might still come back out tomorrow for a bit of fishing. But yeah, just things are quiet. There's about 5 salmon fishermen down there on the beach. I didn't see them catch anything. There's a few fellas up here bait fishing on the rocks for kahawai, and there was no salmon fishermen out this morning. At this time of the year, this sort of conditions, nice cool water, clear, reasonable clear water. Yeah, it should have been all on, but that's fishing for you. So I'm delighted. I got a couple of feeds there, didn't blank, and I've got another bucket or 2 bucketfuls of seaweed for the compost bin. Brilliant.